You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word in French. Yes, this is a word that also exists in English. Commerce, that's your English pronunciation here. In French, it simply means trade or also a shop. You go to, it's going to be commerce, is how you say it. Commerce. Commerce. Un commerce is a shop. Un commerce. Le commerce is trade more generally, right? So un commerce is a shop, a single individual shop. Le commerce is trade in general. And now you know commerce. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.